welcome back. It's J Sounds Online, and if you're in the market for a laptop, today is your day. We're going to be doing a review on the Razer Blade Stealth. This laptop has an Intel i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 13.3-inch QHD screen. Alright, now the mission here is to see if we can make the same quality beats on this laptop as what we can do in the room or in a studio with a home computer. We're gonna take this outside, we're gonna make a beat, I'm gonna show you the beat, and I'm gonna give you my opinion on this laptop and if you should buy it. Alright, we're back. So after taking this laptop out and using it for actually a couple days, I was able to make a few beats, and actually the beat at the beginning of this video was made from this laptop, which is pretty sick. The quality came out really good. It was really easy to do it. I had no lag issues. It was really fast. I mean, really, I had no problems. The only thing that I had a kind of concern about was doing everything on a main setup like this. I've got my sound card, my video card. I've got a pretty powerful PC here, but doing things on a laptop, notoriously, it's not always been like that. So running FL Studio, no issues at all. And 16 gigs of RAM, it's got the i7 processor, and this is running in Windows 10, which, you know, as you know, all the new laptops are going to be running Windows 10. It's got the 8th generation Intel Core i7 855OU mobile processor, and it's got a function on here that's called Killer Control Center. So when you activate the Killer Control Center, it'll go through all of your processes and disable all of the ones that are not needed so you can maximize everything for the computer. It's got the Thunderbolt USB, which you can actually plug an external video card. And I'm gonna play the video in here so you can kind of see really, you know, quickly of what I'm talking about. So basically you plug it in and you can do a 1080, 1070, 1060 and plug it in this external box. And then when you want to go, you just unplug it, take it on the go. But when you go to your main setup, you plug it in. So if you're a hardcore gamer, this actually would work for you as well if you want to do that. After using this laptop for a few days, I have many pros and little cons, all right? This laptop definitely does the job. It gets what I need done, and it's got a long battery life for what I'm trying to do. I don't think it's really meant for gamers, but if you want to casually game, it can do the job. But if you're a producer, beat maker, even if you're doing just the normal stuff for college, or if you're doing little video editing, photo editing, this is the perfect laptop for you. So remember guys, the beat that I'm playing right now in the background was made on this laptop. So if you like it and you want to make beats just like that, scroll down to the description below and check out this laptop and maybe buy it for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.